Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. So if you recently bought it and you've personalized it, however you want to give it back, or maybe you want to sell this phone off to someone else, then let me show you how you can hard reset it so that it becomes a brand new phone for someone else to set up. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next, go ahead and tap on About Phone. Now you want to scroll down until you see Factory Reset. Tap on this. Now here, this will tell you all the following items will be erased: contacts, photos, apps, accounts, backups, SD card data, and other items on this device. So if you agree with that, go ahead and tap on Erase All Data, enter in your PIN number, and once you do this, this will factory reset your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. So there you go guys, that is how to factory reset your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.